called the BERTHA. You want to go to AmishBuiltCabins.com. The link is in the bio. You want to click on Park Model RVs, and I'm going to put a bunch of interior photos on it and these videos on there. And again, remember too, this one here on the lot is for sale. But let's say you want to order one custom, you want to change the colors and customize it. Guys, you're welcome to do that as well. Just give us a call, let us know how you want us to do it, and we can do it custom for you, okay? This got the black roof on it and dark brown D-log siding. Got the pine siding on it. You can see here, that's where your mini split is in the living room. Like I was telling you earlier, you got your 4-axle trailer that it's built on. Okay, this is what the back side of it looks like here. This thing's ready to go, like I said. And you're welcome to come pick it up too, or we can call our transportation guys and get a quote. We can pretty much ship this anywhere in the country, guys. It's on wheels, so this one's ready to ship. So if you're interested in it, I gotta hold on to it for at least another couple weeks to make some videos, and then you can come grab it. So if you're interested, the first deposit gets it. 10% down to lock it in. Look at that big old bay window. You've seen it from the inside. Just a beautiful cabin, guys. Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the BERTHA Park Model RV. This is the BERTHA Park Model RV. Again, my name is Osi. You guys call me the Cabin Cowboy. Give me a call today. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. A quick walk again. Just inside, a little walkthrough. Beautiful day, by the way. Look at them puffy clouds. I feel like Bob Ross in them photos, you know. Look at them puffy clouds and happy trees. Again, guys, where's my Gen Xers and baby boomers at? If you're Gen X, baby boomer, comment what year you was born below. I'm a 1979 classic car model. Comment what year you was born below, so I know I got my people watching me. Not just the young bucks. I want some of my OGs. Where's my OGs at? Again, comment what year you was born if you're Gen X. Baby boomer, much love to you. Shout out Gen X, baby boomers, specifically the Gen X guys. That's my people. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my content. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash it. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow if you like what you see. Again, my name is Osi. This is the first time seeing me, guys. They call me the Cabin Cowboy, okay? Come out, subscribe so you don't miss my future episodes. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me anytime. Checking out. Y'all be blessed and have a happy weekend.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops. Very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and Osi can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinet. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, And now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then, again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys, from the top of the ceiling to the bottom. You see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there, and I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful park model. This is the one we call the Bella Amish Built Park Model. Beautiful. Got the dark stain on the outside. You got your screened in porch. You go inside, you got the light stain with the dark floors. Big windows. You got big double windows there. Vinyl easy clean double pane. Got your kitchenette. All open concept. Got a loft upstairs, bedroom downstairs. Look at that big old bay window. All that natural light. It's a beautiful day out here in Indiana. Look at this. Only $85,000 as it is. Fully loaded. Electric plumbing, heating, cooling tubs, toilets, and sinks. This is all regulation size appliances. General Electric dishwasher. You got your regulation size Frigidaire stove. Whirlpool regulation. And then we'll include a refrigerator too, but we don't have one in this because it's just a sales lot. But when you order yours, it will come with a refrigerator. Over here in this little nook, this is where you got your 20-gallon water heater. Or we can go tankless, and then you can put some extra storage stuff up here. That's where your bathroom's at. There's your sink. There's your toilet. Full tub. It's kind of dark in here because I don't got electric hooked up to it yet. We just got this one on the lot. But there you go. And then, of course, you got your spot here for your stackable washer and dryer. There's your hot and colds, blues and reds. Got your PEX running behind the wall. That's already got your electric running throughout it. Okay, isn't that pretty? Over here, you got your steps that go up to your lofted area. And then you got your privacy door here for your downstairs master, which can easily fit a queen size or full size bed. You got another mini split here. There's your electrical panel. And if you noticed, we got a mini split over here as well. So you got your heating and cooling is already ready to roll. Again, this is just a little bar sold separately, a little furniture. The Amish like to show off their furniture, but just imagine that gone. That's where your TV's gonna go. Put some couches around here. There's your living room. And again, you got that nice indoor-outdoor flow. Get your grill out here. Get you a couple of rocking chairs, so hang out here, chillax. Then when it's ready to go inside, chillax in here. Again, you got your loft. Let me show you the loft real quick. Poke my head up there, and I'll show you the outside of it. This is just a quick 5-minute tour. Okay, so you come up here. Again, up here you can put you a queen size bed. That can even fit a king. It's huge up there. And then on this side, you can put you a twin on this side. You see we got the electric, got the light switch up there. Beautiful. Tongue and groove, knotty pine walls and ceiling. Again, we went with the light stain on the walls and the ceiling to make it look bright and airy. We put the big bay window in here. Again, it's all about light walls and dark floors. So give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in this one we call the BERTHA Park Model RV. And remember, we can build them on wheels like what you see here, and this is RVIA certified, or we can build it off wheels. Let's say you just want to put it on a permanent foundation and so it stays put. We can build it on or off wheels. Just let us know what you want. And myself and the Amish and the Mennonites, we can make it happen.